how to use Canva's artificial intelligence tool to generate beautiful reels like this one really fast. Now you can quickly create beautiful reels using AI in Canva, and if you want you can create hundreds of beautiful reels this way in minutes. So just open a video template in Canva and choose text to image, and here you can write your prompt. And since I live in Sweden and since it's springtime here, I want to AI generate images of a Swedish springtime countryside landscape. So that's what I'm writing here, and I want to create them in the style of my favorite painter. And here you can choose the aspect ratio, and I'm choosing the aspect ratio for reels, a vertical aspect ratio. And the first images will be generated. And then take a look at these AI generated images, and you can enlarge them and look at them. And now I will generate more images. I'll generate a lot of images so that I can choose the best ones. So here we have some more great beautiful images. And these images are unique. They are generated from my text prompts. And I'm enlarging them here on my canvas. And I will generate even more images so that I can choose the very, very best ones. So now I have generated many awesome, beautiful images, and I will do some culling and reordering. From these images I can create a lot of reels. I can animate each image and use it as one reel, or do what I will do now to create a reel where I animate several images to create a longer reel. If you want to copy how I have animated this reel, click on Animate and then choose Drift. And if you want to, you can apply the same animation to all pages. And you can make the clips shorter. And to create transitions like I did in this reel, click between the reels and then choose Dissolve. And you can make the dissolve transition longer. So now let's see what it looks like. It looks awesome. So if you want to, you can download each page individually and you will get a lot of different reels with one animated image on each reel. Or you can do what I will do here. I will download all these images in one reel. I can see that it will become a really beautiful 22-second long reel with all these beautiful images. So this is all. Just click on share and download your long reel or your many short reels.